Hi, I'm Madison Miller. Each year at Seneca, the seniors are invited to participate in a reenactment as part of our Defy the Issue initiative. Students receive a powerful reminder on what consequences may come from poor decision making.
The students at Seneca started the assembly inside. They watched the presentation on what the serious consequences could be if they chose to make bad decisions. The students then proceeded outside where they saw a reenactment of a car accident caused by a driver under the influence.
No, you can't. No. Because some of our protocols are if your back doesn't hurt, your neck doesn't hurt, we're allowed to get you out of the car. But in this situation, we want to show you the worst that it could be. It means everybody has some kind of head, neck, and back injury. We're going to protect them. Some might go to the trauma center. Some might go to the local hospital.
All right, so how did seeing that whole scene make you feel?
It made me realize how real this can actually be. Like, from start to finish, the whole entire thing was crazy. Even just when the sirens were pulling up, I was getting emotional, tearing up, thinking about how this could be any one of our friends. And it's just such a crazy thing to think about it and know that it can be a possibility is different than actually seeing it in real life. It's just insane, and I would never want it to happen to anyone.
So how did hearing the sirens make you feel?
It really opened my eyes to see what really happens, and if you're really in that situation, what it would start to feel like, especially because it was our friends and that's who we would be with, and it just made it very realistic.
Hi, I'm here with Keith Zane. Keith, can you tell me a little bit about what you do?
I am the Assistant Chief of the Tabernacle Rescue Squad and a Medical Examiner Investigator for the Burlington County Medical Examiner's Office.
And how many years have you been a part of that?
I've been an EMT for 30 years and I've been an investigator for 25.
With today's event, what do you want the students at Seneca to get out of it?
I would like the students to get out of this that they make good decisions, not just tonight because it's prom night, but every day of their lives. When they drive, when they're thinking about their emotional state, when they're thinking about their friends and family, that the things that they do are good for them instead of being destructive.